Good evening, ma'am. I am John Lee Biusol from B Scream Alpha. What are your feelings and emotions before the thesis proposal? Before a thesis proposal, a mixed emotions. It's common that excitement about presenting uh, our research, the combination of hard work, but also significant anxiety, but the reception of the proposal, doubt, fear of the failure, and nervous are also prevalent. The an- anticipations can be intense, leading to sleeplessness and a general sense of accomplish in reaching the stage of the research proposal or research process. And question number two is, what are your feelings and emotions after your successful thesis proposal? After a successful research proposal, a wave of relief wishes and presenter there are sense of accomplishment, pride, and joy. The validations from the committee boosts confidence and motivates further work of the thesis. The anxiety and the pressure that preserves in presentations despite replaced by the feelings of optimism and excitement about the next phase of the research, and their way also be gratitudes towards mentors, advisors, and groupmates who support the process. So, question number three: what are your memorable experience with your groupmates? My memorable experience with my groupmates is often involved moments of collaborative success, successfully is overcoming challenge together, brainstorming innovative in solutions and celebrating milestones, cherished memories and sharing laughter, support, and mutual encouragement during stressful times. So, create strong bonds in learning from each other's strengths and perspective also contributes to positive experience. Their shared experience often lead in lasting friendships beyond the academic project. And question number four is, what are your negative experience with your group mates? My negative experience in my group mates is we experience breakdowns and an equal workload distribution of personalities, classes, and conflict our ideas in different work styles or lack of commitment. From some members can create tensions and frustration, missed deadlines, poor communications, lack of cooperations can lead to the stress and resentment. Addressing these issues proactively through open communication and conflict resolutions in a crucial for a successful group project. And question number five, as a part of the group, how can you help improve your self-thesis manuscript? My contributions are aimed to enhancing the overall clarities, and impact of the thesis manuscript, ensuring it is the strong and well-supported space of the academic work. I can facilitate collaboration with the group by providing platform in sharing ideas, providing constructive feedback on each other work, and identify areas for improvement. I can help to manage the writing process, track progress, and ensure the deadlines are met. And last question, how are you going to evaluate yourself as a members of the group? I will evaluate myself through my contributions and improvements of our research. As a group member, I help also my members to make our research easily, because if you help each other, your research is easily be done. Thank you.